If you want to make a bold statement with your countertops, kit number 13 is for you. A deep blue base and sky blue highlights. To purchase your custom kit today, check out the description below.
Okay, so we're getting ready to do the base coat. Primer's been down for about a half hour, 45 minutes. You just want to wait till it's sticky, but it's not pulling nothing up on your gloves. So that means it's ready to go.
Hey guys, just reminding you, don't forget to subscribe. If you are subscribed, click the notification bell so you can actually get all the new videos.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I want to talk about key benefits of our resin. Number one, it's proprietary. It's not white label like a lot of other products on the market. Another huge benefit, you don't have to torch it to pop bubbles. Here's another one, 7 days fully cured compared to 30 days like a lot of other products. It's American made, it's industrial grade, you can't go wrong. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you get yourself some and you'll see how amazing it truly is. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, let us know what you guys thought of the video, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.